channel. Welcome back to another Life with Mphie episode. Mphie so happens to be myself. So in this channel, we speak about every possible experience in Mphie's life of which I may find informative for you guys. So if you are a definite lover of reality TV, don't forget to hit the notification bell and don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to hit that thumbs up button if you loved the video. Let's get into the video. So with today's video, we are generally just focusing on another skin and hair essential oils. Wow, yeah. So I didn't want to actually share these two oils with the previous videos that I had, the homemade remedy and the affordable skincare products that you can actually use, because I recently started using these products, and I just wanted to use them for a period of at least 2 months, and then I can come and share. And if I am happy and I saw. So if you guys may know that I'm sharing a lot of skincare products and skincare whatnot and hair whatnot, is because my hair and my skin are not good at all. I don't have good skin and I do not have good hair. So I am struggling. Okay. So whatever I share to you right now, it will most definitely work for you, because I am struggling. There's a lot that I'm struggling from. Yeah. Okay. So the first oil that I love using recently is the body oil. Okay. I call it the body oil because it works well for my body, and I discovered it's good. It does actually moisturize my body, because I suffer from dry skin and other things. So what I like to add in my oil is 5-in-1 Nivea sunscreen. It moisturizes and protects. And then I like to go in with this Bromley coconut tissue oil. And then I also like going in with the coconut oil. Okay. So and then I just mix up all these 3 ingredients. I just mix them up in here. And then I shake. I don't use any measurements, hey. I really don't use any measurements, hey. So I just mix it up in here. And then another hair oil that I discovered and I'm mostly using at the moment, sorry about that, is the Bergmones oil. So this oil I use for my hair. In case you guys don't see, let me just show you the container. So I use this oil for my hair. It actually is supposed to moisturize the hair, of which it does. Hey, people have been saying, "Oh my, your short hair is so moisturized." Yeah. It has a very strong scent, hey. So hence it comes with this measuring small Nyana cap going on. So I like to use full measuring cups of these, make them 2, okay? And then I don't have the container of the virgin olive oil, the virgin olive oil. I ran out because I was just mixing these a few weeks back. Yeah, and then I forgot which Gambia I'm gonna do a video. Let me just keep the bottle. So and then I just mix everything here, and I do not forget water. Water is in here as well. So I just use the spray because I have short hair. I had a big chop, so I just use the spray after shower and when I go to bed whenever I want to use it. Yeah, it moisturizes my hair and it keeps my hair shiny. And my hair has grown. It has definitely grown. For someone who has slow growth, my hair. I'm only trying out the sunscreen because my skin is very sensitive and I'm starting to peel, and I don't know why. There's this thing that's going on in my body that I don't understand. So I'm thinking maybe the sun has a huge effect on it. So I'm like, okay, you know what? Let me apply sunscreen into my skin. Let me try and protect my skin from any sun damage. Okay, yeah. So yeah, thank you so much, guys. This is basically what I wanted to share. Subscribe, don't forget to hit that like button, and please comment if you feel like commenting. And thank you so much once again for watching my channel.